Hi, it's Matt here from Crooks Cabinet Makers. Thank you very much to all the subscribers of the channel. Really appreciate your support. So today what I'm going to do is the assembly process for the larger size flat pack router table. So I've laid out the tools I need: 4mm drill bit, 2.5 or a 3mm drill bit. First part of the job is to drill out through these rebates here. Drill through with a 4mm drill bit. So I've drilled these out both sides. It's approximately 50mm or 2 inches from either end. I've counterbored on this side and you can see it gets rid of some of the breakout. To fit the front and back, you need to prepare the 2.5mm or 3mm drill bit. Most importantly, when you're doing this, make sure this bottom side here is on a flush surface. Probably go in around about 20-25mm. Firm, nice and flush. Before I fit the top, I need to apply these to reinforce the coach bolt hole. From the front, the centre of that hole is 150mm. From the back, the centre of that hole is 160mm. These need to be positioned midway. 150mm less 35mm is 115mm. So I've marked off 4 places. So now just draw a line. 1, 2. Before you pin these in position, please check you've got 180mm between there, so 180. So on the other side there's a thick and well covered layer of glue. And give it a little wiggle, so you've got the suction there. That can lift up. See there? Can lift up just by the glue. So now get yourself a little scraper, a little spatula, and scrape that off. Scrape it off real tight. Make sure there's nothing left on there. So that's the Hitachi M12 router, which has 180mm base plate, and that is in there with just a fraction of room to spare either side, which is perfect. Easiest possible way. Find the halfway point on there. Go into the groove. Drill through. Halfway point on there. Go into the rebate. Drill through. Now using the 3mm drill bit, flush both ends of the front. Get the drill. Make sure your drill is nice and vertical. Give yourself a 25 to 30mm hole. So for this part of the job, what we need to do is have 4 screw holes through here. 1, 2, 3, 4. The thing we don't want to hit is this point here. This point here. We don't want to be too close to that edge either, or this area here. So the best way to do that is to eye it through, and then come around about 10mm away from that. So around about 25mm from the outside edge. And on this one, be a little more generous, go around about 30mm. These are approximate sizes. So we know the halfway of that is 6mm, and eye through 6mm. Drill through with a 4mm drill bit. 2. You can put this in a vise and do it in a vise if that helps. Same again, flush it with my finger. Okay, so that's the completed flat pack unit. Thank you to all the people who subscribe to my channel. If you bought one of these, also thank you very much, and safety first always. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching.